What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix invalid destination address in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and click on app management. Now scroll down and find messages app and open it. Now click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. After clicking on system and update, then here you can see the option backup and reset. Now click on it and then click on reset phone. Now click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.